Hello, good morning. So, aga ako nagising ngayon kasi first day of class ni Amira. Today is June 22. Supposedly, ang pasok nila is dapat 7 a.m. to 10. But since ngayon pa lang yung first day of school nila, ang oras ng schedule nila ngayon is 8 a.m. to 9:30. Pero maaga kasi ako nagising kasi nga night shift ako, 'di ba? So parang yung body clock ko is gabi, gising ako. Although day off ko ngayon, or last night, day off ko. So, kaya siguro gising ako na maaga. 3 a.m. gising na ako. So, nagsi-cellphone lang ako, wala akong ginagawa. Nagpapalipas ng oras. So, ngayon, nag-alarm kasi ako ng 6:30 para gisingin ko siya ng ganong oras para makapag-breakfast na, makaligo, and makapag-prepare na going to school. So, gisingin natin siya. Tingnan natin kung magigising ko siya ng matiwasay o maayos. Kasi moody yun kapag ginigising. Pag iniistorbo sa pagtulog, nagaano yun, nagwawala. Pero let's see. Kasi alam niyang first day of school niya, excited din siya. Gisingin natin. Let's see. Amira. 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 Going to school now. You have to wake up and take a breakfast and you take a bath. Okay? You wake up already?
It's already 7.
Yes. It's already 7.
Okay.
You wake up Papa because Papa will bring you to school.
Papa.
And we will take our breakfast.
Papa, it's already 7. I'm gonna go to school now.
Okay.
Are you excited?
Yes.
You're going to school?
Yes, about my bag.
Yes, I already prepared your bag. How about Papa? Papa's still sleeping
Yes, Papa.
to wake up?
Yes.
Oh, he go back to sleep again?
Papa, it's already 7.
Okay.
So let's go now.
Papa.
Who's gonna drive us when you go to school?
Yes, wait. I'm gonna be late.
You wait, Papa. Yes, you're gonna be late if Papa will not wake up early. Hmm?
Oh, I'm gonna go to school. You? I just want to go to school, Mama. Huh?
Hmm?
I just want to go to school.
You want to go to school?
Yes.
What are you going to bring? What about your snacks?
Yes.
You bring water, Yakult, and what else? Biscuits?
Yes. I don't have biscuit.
Because you finished it yesterday.
I only have water.
And Yakult. Let's go. And we have Mama will buy your snacks. Okay?
Help me. Help me.
Okay. Wow.
Papa, it's really 7. I said I'm going to go to school.
Help Papa to stand up.
Papa, stand up. I said stand up. I'm gonna be late to school.
Okay. Sige na. Isyago na ikaw to. Hindi ka pa. Sige na. Ako magdadrive. Sige na. Susag na kayo.
Hindi siya na tinopak ng ginising.
Help me. Help me.
Push.
Okay.
Good job. Good job, honey. Then, bring Papa up now.
Why?
Sabi nito, dali.
Let's go.
I'm gonna go to school.
Oh, yeah.
But did I have a play?
Yes.
What about my clothes?
Tita Anna's preparing it.
Tita Anna downstairs.
No, it's inside the dressing room. Look, come on. Tita Anna's preparing your clothes there.
Hi. That's mine.
Yes.
That's mine, Mama.
Yeah.
Did I go to school?
Mm-hmm.
I want see.
What are you doing?
And this is in my pajamas.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
It was so hard to fix it, Mama.
What?
It's so hard to fix my pajamas.
Why?
Because I'm so hot here.
Wait, I'll open it. I'll turn it on.
I turn it on like that.
I prepared her stuff to bring. Ito yung mga school supplies na need to bring to school. Yeah, it's so a lot and it's so heavy. 100 pieces na bond paper. Typewriting papers, 100 pieces din. Oslo papers, 100 pieces din. And then, 20 sheets. So, ano to, mga 80 sheets of colored papers. Then, 2 long envelopes. Whiteboard. She has whiteboard. Okay, tapos ano pa ba? Marami eh. Let's folders, long folder. Long and short folders, meron siya doon. Inside of it, eraser. Whiteboard eraser. May markers din. And this, what's this? Script papers. And what else? Ito yung mga folders with cover.
Hurry up now. I'm gonna be late.
You're going to be late?
Yes.
Okay.
And this rain down in that couch.
And then, this one, kailangan rin to sa school. Yellow cartolina. Yellow, white, black cartolinas. Tagti 3 pieces.
What's that one?
And then, what else? Ito, parang book binder. They need this as well. So, kasama yan. Tapos, brown envelopes. Medyo madami talaga. What else? Inside this, jumbo crayons. Ito, jumbo crayons. Ayan. Yes.
But did I have a crayon?
Of course, you have. You're going to use that to school. That's why Mama buy it for you. And then,
I want that. But can I play with them with drawing?
yes, of course. And this one, ayan. So, dalawang dalawang plastic
Ah,
envelope siya.
I'm
Na,
gonna play.
and then, what else? So, ito yung taga 100 pieces na Oslo paper,
My play.
short, long, typewriting paper, and then, short typewriting paper, and ito yung 80 pieces na colored paper. Tapos, may poster color paint din siya. And, ayan na nga. Also, Play-Doh.
Mama,
Play-Doh.
mine was holding that.
And, then she has Play-Doh again. And then this one, nilagay ko na sa loob, pero what's inside this? Can you open it, Amira?
Okay, I have to open it.
You know how to open it? Very good. Good job. So, yan. Watercolor. And
Glue.
fasteners.
Yes. And glue.
And glue. And markers.
Marker.
Yan.
Ma,
So,
can I use this when drawing?
yes, if you will use that to school. So, those are the school supplies ni Amira.
Ma, can I use this with this one?
This one, yes. Naglaga na ako ng egg.
Ma, what's this, the black?
That's Play-Doh as well. And then,
Play-Doh?
when teacher look for your brush, for the paint brush, for this one, for the poster paint, Amira, for this, tell teacher that it's inside the pencil case.
Okay.
Okay. Although she has my pencil case pa din. Ito. Meron din siya. Ayan.
Ma, that
So,
one.
ito yung,
This one is for my pencil case.
yeah.
What's this one?
Ito naman yung, isang bag niya for some stuff. Yung books, notebooks. So, nandito. Andito lang siya. Dito ko siya nilalagay.
Open this.
Teacher will help you to open it, okay?
Okay.
Let's bring it back. Ayan. So, yan lahat ng mga kailangan na school supplies ni Amira. And lahat yan, nilagyan ko ng mga name tags niya para just in case hindi sila mag-away-away, magkagulo ng teacher, ng mga classmates, mag-agawan. So, nilagyan ko talaga lahat ng name tag. Lahat, as in, ultimo yung poster color niya. Nilagyan ko talaga siya ng name tag. Ayun. Pati yung sa mga, ayan o, lahat talaga ng stuff niya, I added name tags.
Ma, do you put name here?
Yes. There. So, para, alam mo na, syempre, yung mga bata, pagka sa school, mag-aagawan kapag ka, diba? Kaya, ayan, nilagyan ko siya ng name tags. Okay, Amira, you take your breakfast now.
Tana?
Yes, with Tita Ana, and then you will take a bath after you eat, okay? Okay?
Okay.
Oh, you sit down there now.
Ma, how supposed to bring this and this
I'm putting it inside your bag here.
so that I can bring it
Yes.
and that?
Okay?
Ma,
Ay.
we're not gonna walk.
No.
How we're supposed to bring my bag?
We will put it inside the car.
Well, in the back? Okay.
So, ibalik na natin lahat ng mga gamit niya dito sa bag. Say hi. First day of school ni Amira, and she's so excited. Hindi ako nahirapang gisingin siya. Not the usual thing. Kasi usually kapag ka natutulog siya, nagwawala kapag ka ginigising. But this time, hindi siya nagwala. Or maybe nakakomplete na siya ng tulog. That's why. Or excited siya sa school. And then, lahat to nabili ko sa National Bookstore. Pero, yung iba, na mga out of stock, sa online ko na binili. Oops!
Mama,
Oh, sorry.
what's wrong? It's already broken now.
No, it's not because there's a way to fix it. Here. See? We just have to combine it again. Amira, you eat now. You're going to be late. Ayan.
and yellow there, okay?
Okay.
How to do that?
Mm-hmm.
Yellow there and red there and blue there.
Yeah, that's right.
Here. Put it in my bag.
Yes.
Mama, I'm gonna wear that. Mama, I'm gonna wear that.
Yeah. Ang bigat. And then, ito naman yung bag niya. Ang laman ng bag na to, yung water niya. And then, what's inside Amira's bag? Pencil case.
Mama, my water go.
It's here.
Inside.
Yes.
Where's my water?
Little wallet niya.
I need to do that.
And then, name tag. Ito. She has 5 notebooks. 5 notebooks. Ayan. And then, 1, 2. She has 1, 2, 3. 4, 5. So, 5 books.
Mama, can
Mathematics,
I blow?
writing notebook, reading and reading book, science book, and language book. Yes. So, she has 5 books.
Mama, that's my light.
Yeah.
But did you put in a movie?
Of course, I did.
Where?
There.
Amira?
Yes. I put your name in it.
So that I won't fight?
So that your classmate won't get it.
Okay. Ow. Ow. I'm gonna go to school. I'm late now.
Yeah, you have to eat faster already because you're going to be late in school, remember? Okay? Alam niya malilate siya.
Mama, walk. Walk, Mama.
Yes, you have to.
Go to school?
No, you have to.
What? I'm gonna go to school?
Mhm.
It's 27. It's 27?
Mm-mm.
Okay.
Medyo maliit yung bag niya, pero kaya mo na, pagtsagaan na lang. Isasara naman. Ilagyan ko rin ng pangalan. Name tag niya. Also here. Ayan. Para hindi ma-misplace. You go there. Okay? So, later uli. So, ito yung uniform ni Amira. Yan siya. Ganyan. Nire-ready ko na habang naliligo siya. Her sando, her undies, tapos ito rin yung socks. Ayan. Medyo malaki nga yung nabili kong sando niya kasi, pero actually, ano pa yan extra small. Oh, 'di ba? Extra small pero malaki. Ito inano ko lang to kasi since palda Inanuhan ko siya ng hanggang tuhod. And then, yung socks niya. So, yan yung uniform ni Amira. Tapos, iba rin yung uniform niya every Tuesday. Ibang color. So, ito, Monday. Yan yung uniform niya for today. Tapos, iba yung Tuesday. Wednesday, ito uli. Tapos, Thursday, yung isa din, yung gray. Tapos, Friday, yung PE uniform. So, yun yung alternate na uniforms nila for the week. She knows yung 7 man. Oh, yung recorder. then you need to update it after. Okay? You try to follow what teacher's instruction, ha? And then, you always listen to your teacher, ha? You follow what they're doing, ha? You have to write. And then, sing.
Mama, why I don't have a mini star?
That's why you have to follow what's teacher's instruction so that teacher will give you stars. Oh, Mama will dress up. Tita Ana will fix your hair.
Green jacket.
Ayan na, we're going to send Amira to school now. Time check, 7. Cellphone mo, Han. Okay. Papasok na kami sa school ni Amira. What time is it? 7. 7:55.
Mama, we're going up here.
Parents,
Why are we going down here?
of course, we're going to your school.
Okay.
Ang pasok niya is 8 o'clock. 7:55 na. So, malamang malilate kami. First day of school, late si Amira. Oh, yung snacks niya, Han. Ayan, bukas na.
Hindi ka na bumaba.
Mama, I'm gonna wait for you in the car. I'm gonna wait for you.
Yung hindi na susuklian para ano, mabilis. Yay! So, we're on the way sa school ni Amira.
Oh, that's my school, right?
Yes, it's first day of school ni Amengay.
I never been there and I'm Amira.
You're not Amengay?
I'm Amira.
Ah, okay, you're Amira. Hi, Amira. She doesn't like to call Amengay, but call her Amira or Princess.
Mama, it's going to be princess instead.
Just call me Princess instead. How about Amira?
Yes. Call me Amira and princess.
Amingay.
Papa! Amira.
Why you don't like Amengay?
I want Amira.
You want Amira instead?
Yes.
Or Princess?
I want princess and Amira.
Okay, fine.
When did you want my jacket? I'm so tickles. So tickles, Mama.
No.
What that toys?
Yeah.
Mama, I'm gonna be washed there. I don't like to be there.
Of course, you don't. Remember, I always keep telling you, you don't go outside alone. You always have to go with Mama or Papa.
Okay.
Okay. Or Tita Ana.
Yes.
Ang tagal na namin kasing hindi nakakapag-vlog. So, naisip ko ngayon first day school ni Amira. Mag-vlog ulit tayo. And that's it. So, 1.5 hour lang sila ngayon sa school. Siguro, konting activity, getting to know each other, kay teacher, some of her classmates, and yun. Hindi naman kami makakapasok sa school niya para bantayan siya doon inside sa classroom, di ba?
I think there gonna be more students. And I'm gonna be out in space.
Why?
I need Ray, because Papa need Raya.
Papa, need to hurry up.
Yes.
Babe, what are you doing to my niece? Let's get your bag.
My bag.
Uh-huh. Akin, akin.
There's so many.
Yes.
Because there's so many stuff.
Uh-huh. Yes, you go inside now. Hurry up. You're late already. Ah, your bag. Yes, that's right. Hurry up, hurry up. You go there. There. There's your teacher. Hello, teacher. Good morning. Hello.
Say bye to mommy. Say bye, mommy.
See you later, honey.
Hug and kiss mommy. Hug and kiss mommy. Good job.
Love you. How, Papa? Papa.
Bye. Okay, good job.
See you later. Thank you. Okay, so nandito na uli kami sa school ni Amira. Susunduin ko na siya. Let's go.
Is it?
I did not bring the card.
Where's your bag? Thank you, teacher.
Thank you, Amira.
Let's go. You go inside the car now. Papa's there now. There. Yes. Wow, I think you have. Wait, you have stars?
Yes.
Wow.
Never mind another bag.
We have to leave it there. Come here. Because teacher will going to keep it. That's yours. Huh?
I just want that.
Your bag?
Yes. No. I just want my window.
Look, Papa. Amira has stars.
Sabi.
Wow. It says, good job, Amira. This is your picture. Oh, sit down now. Can you tell me what did you do inside the school? Can you tell me what did you do to the
I want
school?
Play-Doh.
Huh?
I want my Play-Doh.
You want your Play-Doh? Did you eat your snacks?
Yes.
How about your Yakult?
No, I love Yakult.
You drink your Yakult?
No. I just want to eat my strawberry Oreo.
Really? How about your water? Did you drink water?
Yes.
Really? Why do you have stars in your hands?
Because it's the
What did you do?
teacher gave this to me like this.
She put stamp on your hands?
Yes. Because it's a good job, Amira.
Wow! Did you sing? Did you dance?
But I see them dancing. I did not dance.
Why you did not dance?
But as I dance and spin around,
You dance, spin around?
Mama, what are you doing?
I'm
So cold.
I'm removing your jacket. Is it cold inside your room?
It's cold inside the car, Mama. But it's
It's cold inside the car?
yes.
Can you tell me what happened to your school? What happened? What did you do to the school? What did you do there? You and your classmate? What did you do? They said you're pretty and you're very good. Yes? Wow. Tomorrow you're going to go to school again. You like it?
Yes.
Wow. You like to go to school?
I'm gonna buy now.
of school ni Amira. She got 1. Good job! Yay! Bye!